Do you know what oiling out is? And when you should do it? Oiling out is a technique used to address dull, sunken passages and darken colors in oil paintings. It involves applying a very small amount of oil to the canvas, just enough to restore the paint to its wet appearance. Use the minimum effective amount, as too much oil can lead to darkened yellow colors. Rub it in until there's no visible oil on the surface. Linseed oil can be used straight. Thicker stand oil should be thinned with odorless mineral spirits or turpentine, or use a painting medium that contains oil. Why do oil colors sink and darken? As oil paint dries, it becomes more compact, allowing less light to penetrate. If an absorbent ground or underlayer pulls in too much oil, it causes an uneven sheen with flat spots resulting from underbound pigment. Also, some pigments naturally dry more matte than others. Oil out right before adding new layers to bring dry colors into the same working range. The lightly lubricated surface also improves brush movement. You can oil out a finished painting, but doing so resets drying time. In that case, retouch varnish is a better choice. It's a lightweight coating that protects the painting without interfering with curing. Then, in a few months, you can top coat with a compatible final varnish.